Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hi, how are you guys doing? Hi. So I'm back again to another reaction video with the group Now United. Meet the members. Now we're back again, but this time in China to meet Krystian. K-R-Y-S-T-I-N. Krystian in China. So, oh wait, from China. Oops. So let's see what he has to say. China is also another place I want to go to walk the Great Wall of China. I could lose some more weight.
You don't know what's gonna happen next. You don't know when the perfect opportunity that fits you will come to you. I didn't know I was gonna be in this international pop group called Now United, but I've been preparing for it for my whole life.
Come through, face.
My Chinese name is Wang Nanjun, but my Western name is Krystian. I was born in Beijing City.
Beijing!
More like LA, where all the cool things happen.
Yes, Beijing.
You really get yourself into the pop culture in China. My whole family is a really
nice shot.
family. I could tell when I was really young, my dad would perform on stage. I will like jump onto the stage. If it's good art, I will love it. I just love its soul. Being as an only child, soul is something that means a lot to me. Most people might not know, my generation, we are all the only child. My dad is a military actor. He does movies, and I just feel like I really need to be big in China too. Me and my dad, it's like 100% opposite, but I'm just so glad that
Love your dad.
Love your dad. He can see the soul in it, so he gives me 100% respect.
Oh my God, I love your dad.
他是一个很善良的孩子，是一个很热情的孩子，但是他有点装酷。这个年龄特有的东西，我们允许他追求真善美，他酷爱艺术，这是引以自豪的。
I just love hanging out with him. He just makes me so calm and make me feel like there's a lot of going on in this world and you don't have to worry about nothing because life is good.
Come through, whoever that is. The mom
is
come through.
Model. She's such a beauty queen, and then she all of a sudden quit. She just doesn't feel like it. She just wants to be my mom. I just love her.
New York.
There was a moment when I was studying
New York.
I really need to do something that's more like dramatic or big, meaningful. I went to this concert, and when I was enjoying the vibe, realized that I really need to get up the stage and be the singer. And then I came back to China and did my first ever show. It was called Superboy. Superboy to me is definitely a learning experience. My performance is always kind of dreamy or dramatic. Are you insane like me? You always have a theme and you always have a character.
So I'm telling you, see, I be telling these people in America, them ones overseas don't be playing no games. They be playing no games overseas.
It's about the future, the younger generation, and respect each other and just be there for each other. It's like the whole world's power.
Come on, Unity. The new generation.
他用意识的形式把全球统一了。
You're the fantasy, you're the very better, you and me, you the thing that love.
A lot in this Now United project. It will be something historical.
No, baby.
Together, then the world can be united together.
I do it like you say. that was Krystian from China. Nice to meet you, Krystian. Hi, how are you? That was another reaction video to another member from the group Now United. Once again, I said over and over and over, they're the future. Diversity, new world order. Here for it. I want to say thanks to the person who recommended me to react to this video. I really do appreciate it. Everybody else, whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching.